When it comes to real estate, it's not just about the property, but where the property stands. Proximity to business districts, schools, and recreational spots have significant impact to your property's value. Now, Malindi is a fast developing town in the southeastern part of Kenya, sitting on the tropical beaches dotted with hotels and resorts. This town is a real estate gold mine. Now, imagine having your holiday home here where you get to experience undistracted view of the Indian Ocean, walk on the white sandy beaches, watch the sunset at the comfort of your own home. Now, this is where tranquility meets luxury living. Our housing project, which consists of Maisonettes and bungalows, offers you an extraordinary opportunity to live in luxury and also make an investment when you want to turn your home into an Airbnb. Now, what's more interesting is that our flexible payment plan with a 0% interest makes this investment a dream investment. While here at Wemark, we are all about credible luxury.